Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve social media engagement with Hootsuite, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Hootsuite account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Streams section to monitor your social media feeds. Create custom streams for each of your social media platforms. Add your key accounts to keep everything organized in one view. Next, focus on identifying your target audience. Research demographics and behaviors that are relevant to your brand. With this information, tailor your content strategy accordingly. Use Hootsuite's content curation tools to find relevant articles and posts. Share industry news and updates that resonate with your followers. Incorporate visuals into your posts to make them more engaging. Images, videos, and infographics tend to attract more interactions. Schedule your posts for optimal times when your audience is most active. Use Hootsuite's autoschedule feature to automate this process. Monitor the performance of your posts using the analytics tools. Evaluate metrics such as likes, comments, and shares to measure engagement. Adjust your content strategy based on these insights. Experiment with different types of content to see what works best. Run polls or questions to directly engage your audience and encourage feedback. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Build a community by showcasing user-generated content. Collaborate with influencers or partners to expand your reach. Utilize Hootsuite's monitoring tools to track brand mentions and relevant hashtags. Regularly review your goals and adjust your strategy as needed. Continually educate yourself on social media trends to stay ahead. By consistently applying these steps, you can effectively improve your social media engagement with Hootsuite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.